Hi all, I'm Anupam. As part of a 5-member data analytics team at Skoliko, we built an end-to-end business intelligence solution analyzing a massive US regional sales dataset from Kaggle. Our objective was to architect a pipeline that uncovers hidden revenue drivers. We engineered a robust ETL pipeline, cleaning anomalies and engineering new features to extract critical KPIs. We then ingested the optimized data into Power BI, leveraging DAX for completed aggregations and time intelligent metrics. Our interactive dashboard clearly isolates our most profitable years, allowing us to pinpoint exact macroeconomic growth spikes. Additionally, by analyzing the lowest order quantities across our catalog, we successfully identified slow-moving inventory items to help the business optimize stock levels and reduce holding costs. This collaborative project gave us deep hands-on experience in data modeling, visualizing profit variance, and driving data-backed corporate strategy. Thank you.